think it's time we had a cup of joe.
Lewis Black.
Pass along to the funniest station in the world.
They're just freaking hilarious.
Funny 820.
You know how many women I know that got married in their 20s, now they're in their 30s, they're single moms. Their husbands nowhere to be found. They all say the same thing. These kids are the best things that ever happened.
I'm okay.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Were you driving the truck?
Pardon?
Were you driving the truck?
No, it was a tractor.
Is he okay?
Yeah, I think somebody's hurt. Just hold on, okay?